Today we are heading to Lakes Entrance. It's around 4-hour drive from Melbourne CBD. The drive out from Melbourne is pretty scenic. Lots of greenery and open roads. After 4 hours drive, we are here at Metung. This drive is really beautiful because we are driving right next to the water. The whole place just feels very calm. I feel this is a good getaway from the city. We arrived to our hotel and this is the place that we are going to stay for 2 nights. Let's do a room tour. The room is clean and cozy and the view is actually super peaceful. After settling in, we took a walk around the hotel. The view from here is really amazing. You can even come here by boat and dock it right next to your room. After a long drive, we decided to have a rest today. For dinner, we kept it simple: fish and chips and a pizza. Next day morning, we walked to the lake. Calm water, black swans. One of those mornings where you just want to sit back and relax. We had our breakfast one of nice cafes at Metung. After our breakfast, we started our journey to Lakes Entrance. It's only 25 minutes drive from Metung. Just after the welcome sign, you can see this beautiful view of Lakes Entrance. The town's got a fun beachy vibe. And there's heaps to do here. Whether you are into nature, food or just chilling out. We hired bikes, which I totally recommend. It's the best way to get around, especially along the esplanade. Well, next time we need to hire a jet ski. From the pier, we can see the lake's entrance closely. Today's catch is soft shell crabs. No, not by us, these are from the people fishing on the pier. If you got some spare time, you can visit Aqua Park at Lake's entrance. Before you arrive, please check their website for opening times and ticket information. This time we took a boat cruise to see the amazing views of the Gippsland Lakes. As you cruise along, you can see jetties, bushland and waterfront homes. From here we saw something special. That's the hotel we are staying at Metung. It's interesting to see how these lakes are connected. At the end of our cruise, we came towards the entrance, where the lakes meet the ocean. This is a good place to spot some dolphins or sea lions if you are lucky. the end of the day, after our cruise, we came back to Metung Hotel. We had our dinner overlooking the stunning lake views. Honestly, the perfect way to end the trip. 2 days, heaps of memories. If you are looking for a peaceful escape with water views, good food and bit of wildlife, Metung and Lakes Entrance a solid pick and highly recommended.